Hello everyone, I am just telling you how to use Google Classroom for your internal assessment. First, you have to download your Google Classroom app into your mobile phone from the Play Store. After downloading, you have to log in by your Gmail account which you have given for the classroom. After downloading, then the icon will appear. Click on the Google Classroom icon. It will show two classrooms if you are enrolled only for the two classroom. One is OTPT, so you are already member of that group. Another, for this session I have created a dummy classroom learning by collaboration, but in your case you will find the your internal assessment classroom. So I am just clicking the dummy classroom where you find out what I am going to upload here for your examination. I am clicking dummy classroom. You can see here various notification for what I have uploaded in your classroom, but you have to go to the classwork. This is the classwork icon. Click on the classwork icon, then you will see the all the material added and assignments. This folder icon will show your question paper. So you will find the question paper, you find the attendance sheet. So just click on your question paper. You will find your question paper. Here you can see the section BC. Actually this is the old paper. So just click on this icon. Your paper will be open. To avoid the net connectivity, you can take screenshot of this paper and keep it in your mobile phone to solve the question paper. Otherwise it will available in the classroom page. And go back. So after getting the paper, you have to fill your attendance sheet. Here you can see attendance sheet for theory examination. Just click on that. You'll find the Google form for your attendance sheet. Click on this icon. The form will be open. In the form, you have to enter your email, your roll number, which will start with the 19. For OT it will be 5. For PT it will be 6. For repeater I am sharing their roll number in different sheet. Then you have to write down your name, and then you have to accept that you have received your question paper, and then submit. So that will end your attendance sheet. Then go back and start solving the question paper. After you finish your question paper, means solving the question paper, then you have to upload the sheets. For uploading, you can see there are 4 links are there. Answer for the question number 1 of preliminary examination, answer for question 2, answer for question 3, answer for question 4. Okay. So these are the 4 links. So you have to scan for question number 1 differently. For the question number 2, whatever the answers are there, you have to scan differently. Why we are doing this? So the file size should not be increased so much that will lead to difficult in uploading your answer sheet. So you can use any software, either CamScan or other software, Adobe Scan, whatever the software you want to use it. So once your scannings happen, convert into PDF form and you can upload by clicking this link. For example, for answer of question number 1, click on this. You'll find the general instruction here. Scan all the pages where you have written the answer for the question number 1 and upload it in PDF format here only. Then in the lower half you find the arrow icon. Click on the arrow icon. You'll find the icon add attachment. You have to click on add attachment. Click on file and then you have to give the pathway for the uploading the file. For example, in case of you are using CamScanner, this is the CamScanner folder. Then you have to upload. For example, for 195 I have created one file. So you have to give the name in such a way, your roll number and your name. Here you can see 195001 is the roll number, then ABCD's name, and then the question number 1. Once you click, the file start uploading. Here you can see 195001 ABCD question number 2 file is uploaded. For the question number 1, you have to upload question 1 file. Once file is uploaded, you have to click on turn in. It will again, you can resubmit. Actually that time you will not going. I have already submitted, that is why it is showing resubmit. So click on the submit button, then work is submitted. Don't click on unsubmit button. Okay, so this is how you're going to upload your answer sheet on the assessment page. Similarly, you have to do with the answer sheet, answer of the question number 2, answer of the question number 3, answer for the question number 4. In the same way, you have to upload your spot examination. So this is how you can do. There is another way to uploading the file, directly going through. If you are using CamScanner or other scanner, I am just telling example of CamScanner. Search for CamScanner, click on CamScanner. So you can take any photograph, all the scanning of your pages. For example, I am just taking select properly, click, and then click here to rename. For example, for PT roll number 1 student 196001, then name ABCD and question 1 for question number 1. Click on OK and you can keep on adding the file. Once all pages are uploaded, you come out from here and recheck if there is a change in alignment, means page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Keep on alignment, just hold and move here and there. So that is how you can align the pages. Then share. First you mail yourself, share as PDF and share. Just mail yourself Once you click on PDF and mail you, so it will create a PDF file, CAM scanner. Okay. Or another way to upload directly through the file. For example, this is the file I have created. Click on the file. Okay. Just hold it. Now it is open. Click on the share button. Click on more button. Sorry, generating the link. Okay, it's uploading into the cloud. So I'm using another file. You can see once it is uploaded in cloud, you will see the green icon of the cloud and tick icon. So I'm just taking this example. Click on share. Click on more. Click on classroom. Attach to assignment. For example, question number 4. Sorry, there is a problem. Click on file. Share. Okay, share as PDF. You have to click it share as PDF. Don't forget to click on share of PDF, otherwise it will not attach. And then now click on share. Go to classroom. Click on assignment. Click on what are the question you want to upload. For example, here I am taking the question number 4. Click on the question number 4 and it start uploading the file. You can click the lower arrow to see. Here you can see the file is uploaded and click on the turn in. Okay, so I'm just removing this file so I can show again to you to avoid the confusion. Here you can see now the file is uploaded into the cloud. Now I am clicking this file open. Now I will click on the share and don't forget to click on this share as PDF, otherwise the file will be not uploaded. Now you can see the green icon will come. Click on share, then click on classroom, attach to assignment. Again I am clicking on the answer of the question number 4. Click here and then file started uploading. Once the uploaded, you click on the lower arrow and it will show the file is uploaded 196001 ABCD question number 1, and then you have to click on turn in. Once you turn in, the file will be submitted. So that is how you have to going to submit your assessment. For PT student, you have to upload your radiology and living paper also. So one page for radiology, one page for living. For spotting, you have to upload 4 pages. For the theory paper, it is up to how many pages you have written. So segregate question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, scan it, save it in CAM scanner. You can directly upload into the classroom through the CAM scanner. First, wait for to upload in the cloud. Click the file, open, share as, click on the share as a PDF, and then click on the green icon on the share, and then once the file is uploaded, it will show here. Okay, you can see here. So that is how you are going to upload. Okay, any question you can ask on the WhatsApp. Thank you.